Hi guys! Welcome back for another vlog. So, we are going to Wood Green today. We're just going to shop. And kasi good weather! Finally, it's good weather. Hindi siya kita. Show to you guys, it's good weather. Hindi siya kita. Ayan, it's good weather. Look at that. Oh my god, it's not showing. Wait, I'll show it to you. Oh. Look how beautiful the weather is. Hopefully, it's not gonna be raining. So, ako naman ang hindi kita. So, we are going to Wood Green and we're just going to shopping. Shopping tayo ng mga damit. hindi naman ganun ka-shopping. Siguro mabibili ako mga damit para isi-send ko sa Philippines. Tapos, damit ni Tria and damit ni Monzi Boy kasi next month, we're planning to go to Cornwall. Hopefully, matuloy siya. Well, yeah. So, while busy with doing this thing, let me just, put some makeup on. Kita ba ako? Put some makeup on, and then Tria is on her jumper. Well, I don't want her to watch Cocomelon, but it's okay. Just today anyway. She didn't watch Cocomelon for like how many days na. So, yeah. Okay, showing my poopy. So, nakapaglagay na ako ng sunscreen. So, sunscreen should be ready. And then, mag-makeup na tayo. And, I'll show you guys kung paano ako maglagay ng makeup. Let's just, nagkwento tayo while I'm putting some makeup. So, let's do this. So, guys, while I'm putting some makeup, oh my god, I guess I will have a pimple there. Anyway, naglagay naman ako ng aking favorite skincare, which is Lux Organic, guys. And this on my previous vlog, I'm telling you kung ano yung mga ginagamit kong mga skincare. And Lux Organic, I really recommend to you guys. But anyway, so let's start this. So, this is not just a simple shopping galore. So, I was thinking to do a little bit fun. We don't have money, but, minsan lang naman. So, because it's gonna be summer here in UK, and hopefully everything will be fine, and hopefully we all wish na everything will be fine. What I'm going to do is lahat ng nasa mannequin, not lahat ng nasa mannequin, okay, yung magkakasya syempre sa akin. So mannequin, mannequin, ano ba tawag dun? Nasa utak ko na yun kahapon eh. Mannequin fashion kineme. Ano ba talaga, Ira? Anong tawag to? Kind of challenge. So, we're going to get those clothes na suot ng mannequins. And let's see if it's gonna be fit on me. It's gonna be good on me, and especially na mag-spring nga. And, mag-spring. And yeah, what I'm saying. Hindi na alam sinasabi dahil busy. And I'm going to use Happy Skin. And this is On The Go blush. This is a cream blush. And the shade is Sunset. So yes, it's because it's summer. Let's make it a little bit, Ito talaga, alam mo, ang tagal ko itong hinanap tong na to. Yung ganitong, ang ganitong color ng blush. So yeah, that's just a little bit like, a little bit something. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do today. We're going to get those nasa suot ng mga mannequin na summer or spring clothes. Makapal ba? Hindi naman kasi makikita yan. So yun. So yun yung gagawin natin. We're just gonna challenge ourselves to get those clothes from those mannequin what? Yung mga suot ng mga mannequins. So, and Tria, of course, I'm gonna get some clothes for her, ready for her next month, when we go to the Cornwall. So, hopefully, we're gonna enjoy in there. And, yeah. Of course, we're gonna enjoy in there. Ba't pa pupunta ko, hindi lang ako mag-enjoy, diba? Anyway, so, that's it. Hindi ko alam kung ano makikita natin sa Primark. Ano ba ngayon? Thursday. Well, Monday is bank holiday dito. So, hopefully, like, well, we have planned already on Monday. I'm going to meet with my colleague, Aisha. We're going to somewhere. There in Central. Somewhere, guys. Iba-vlog ko siya, no worries. I'm not sure if I will be with Tria on Monday. But on Tuesday, I'm gonna meet with Pearly. Ang dami kong ganap. My God, I love this. Ang dami kong ganap. As in, alam niyo ba, sobrang nakakatulong talaga siya sa akin ngayon kasi nadidistract ako. And vlogging right now is like a life. So, I enjoy vlogging. So, if you guys have any idea to what to vlog, just comment down below. And I was thinking to do on my birthday next month. Just keep on watching on my vlog. Well, I'm still thinking about it. Well, I don't know, is it gonna be international or just in the Philippines? Well, let's see, let's see, let's see. God knows. Sharing is caring, isn't it? So, ayun. Ang gamit ko is the BLK and dito naman is BLK as well. So, sobrang ganda nito as in. Bet na bet ko siya and we're going to put powder. Of course, powder as well. Yung powder na gamit ko, itong matte, stay matte ng Rimmel. Ayan. Tagal ko na itong ginagamit. Gusto ko to kasi nakakaganda siya, guys. Super. So, si Trian nanonood. Hindi yan pwede magtagal nanonood. As much as possible, nililimit ko talaga ngayon yung ano niya. Yung screen time niya. And I just put it that para hindi siya umiyak. So, ayun guys. So, I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna dress her up na. Getting ready. I'm going to meet, I hope I'm gonna meet with Beth today. So, I'll see you guys later in the wood green. I'll bring you there. So guys, we're here nasa Primark and ito yung mga nasa mannequin and I saw here in front, ang cute niya, this one, ito. Ang cute nito. So we're gonna get one of these. This trend na it says, parang ang cute niya. Okay, let's get some. And the other one is this one. Okay, let's check this. Tia is sleeping. Hopefully she can sleep longer. So we're gonna get as my size. Hopefully there is a size. If there's no size, it's fine. So we're not gonna get anything. Size 10, size 10, size 10. There's no size. This one is size 8. So malaki to sa akin, I'm sure. Malaki to sa akin. So kailangan mga size 6 lang, guys. 8, 10. So, walang size. Size 8 lang siya. Hindi naman tayo pwede na malaki. So, let's have a look at the other one. This one. And I have mini skirt. I have white mini skirt, so I don't need to buy this. I just buy this with that. So, let's get this size as well. Hope there is a size. Oh, there. There's a size 6. So, we're gonna get this. And if I'm gonna get another one, it's like same lang. Parang bulaklaki yung that one, diba? So I'm not gonna get that one now. That's ugly. Okay, where are we going next? Hindi mo gusto bumili ng ano? Isa. Nito. Let's get this. For summer. Let's get this. Nabili tayo ng pants and then that one. Ito. Ay, ano siyang 15 pounds. So, let's get small. Medium. Gosh, I need blazer for this. Saan natin mga hunting pants? Small. There. And then, let's find the pants and hope there's a size for me. So, yung pants is this one. Oh, sorry, Priya. Oh, so, basically, something sila talagang kumakasya dito sa akin eh. Size 8 is one. Malaki. Malaki nila. Anak ko. So, we could not get. Well, hanap ko lang tayo ng pants sa bahay na kakasya. So, wala tayo isang pants. The next mannequin, guys. Why is it like that color? I don't think so. It's gonna fit on me. Oh my god, there's a lot of clothes in the floor. Look at that. Okay, let's find that. Where we can find it? Oh, this is so cute. I like this. Oh, should I get one? This is so cute, guys. Super cute, yeah. Oh, this is so cute. We should get this. Oh, it's so cute. Yellow. This is really cute. But what we need is this one and the shorts. Where we can get that? Where we can get that? Okay, so here's the top. Here's the top. I'm gonna get this top. I'm gonna send them back in the Philippines. And then white skirt. Rhea is awake. Hi! Say hi to the camera. Can you say hi? So, eto na yung mga pinamili ko. Oh, sorry. Say hi! Ang cute sana nyo, no? Kaso, no. That's enough na. Wala tayong pera. Okay, let's go for... let's go up. Let's go up. Tria! 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 She just woke up now, so we're going now to the elevator. Say hi! Ang cute sana nito, oh. Kaso na, just get the other one, that's fine. Elevator. We're here on Tria's side. We're gonna get some clothes for her as well, some dresses that can be fit. Yeah, so hanap tayo ng mga dresses for her. Ooh, this is so cute, guys. Oh. This is so cute. Faulty. But I'm not sure if it's gonna be fit on you. Oh, there! Aray! Look what I found. Look at this here, yellow. We can have yellow. It's like onesies. Now we can have some yellow for her as well. Same with me and Trio. Let's gonna get 12 to... Oh, this is not a dress. This is like a onesies. Yan. Hindi siya dress. Onesies. Am I saying the right word? Ewan ko. Ayan siya. Gonna get this one. So, me and Tria gonna be a couple. 12 to 18. Kasi she's big. And what color I have there? Have some... Maybe gonna get her one of these though. So, meron pa siya niyan eh. But we can get... Maybe this one. This is so cute, but no. Now, what do you want? What do you... Oh, look at this. Oh, yellow. What about this one? Do you like this? Do you like this one? That's too much. Oh, that's too much. Okay. So, hey guys! Nakauwi na kami. And I'm going to make French fries here. So, before that, let's do some... let's just make some whole. Let's just do whole. I'll show you guys. Ito yung pinamili natin sa Primark. Ayan. And Tria, she's playing there with her new toys. But, of course, her favorite toys is there. Say hi to the camera. Can you say hi, please? Igen. Oh. Oh. Igen, what is that? What is that, Baba? Okay, so... Okay, guys, let's do some haul. While waiting for my what? For my, mantika na uminit yung mantika natin. Ayan, let's just sit here. So, isa agawin eh. Okay, just like this. Kasi pag naita ni Tria to. Ayan. Ayan. So, have you seen, guys? Sino ba? Ayan, dito na lang pag ganito. Ayan. So, pasensya na makalat ang aking background, but it's fine. So, bukas ko na lang gagawin, guys, yung, ano natin, yung sinasabi kong challenge for myself. I'll just show to you guys yung mga binili ko. So, I bought this one. This is a size 6. But I don't know if it's fit on me. Well, I'll try this one. We're gonna try this one tomorrow. And then the swimsuit that I bought. Looks really nice. And then this one, I don't know how I'm gonna wear this. Well, I have a pants there where I can wear. Oh, nauntog si Tria. This is in a size small. Pero feeling ko, ang laki niya sa akin. But let's see. Yes. But actually, ang maganda kasi dito sa UK, mabilis siyang ibalik. Mabilis siyang ibalik sa, pwede nating i-return. Ay, bumili akong bagong pants. This one. Maybe I will try to this. Well, let's try. Tomorrow, guys, we'll do that. That will be another vlog. And then, as you can see sa mannequin, she's wearing this top. And then, supposed to be a skirt, like a long skirt. But I'm gonna do it with this short. This white short. And I got a really nice hairband. I don't know why I bought this one, but anyway, it's just cute. And then, this one is for Tria. Kasi bumili ako nitong yellow dress, which is not part of the things. Pero ang cute niya lang, diba? I hope it's fit on me. This is size 4. So, me and Tria are gonna be wearing yellow. And then, I got her another dress, which is this one. This is just very cute. So, you know. And, what else I bought? Actually, bumili kasi ako ng mga damit for my siblings. And I bought some t-shirt for Monzi. Ayan. I bought 2 t-shirts for Monzi. And then, some of the... I got this one! I hope it's fit on her. It's just very cheap. 2 pounds lang siya. It was 4 pounds 50. Sana kasya siya kay Tria. Parang hindi siya kasya kay Tria. This is 12 to 18 months. And, I don't know if it's fit on her. I'm gonna try tomorrow. Tapos, ito binili ko. Actually, itong mga t-shirt na to parang sa kapatid ko. Then, bumili ako ng jacket for her. Another jacket, yung may zipper because she don't have with the zipper one. So, bumili ako ng may zipper. Ayan. So, tomorrow, guys, abangan nyo ang ating supposed to be try on hold, right? I should just like show you guys kung ano yung mga. But anyway, I'm not gonna take it out yet, this clothes. So, we're just gonna continue the vlog tomorrow. This is gonna be the part 1 of this vlog. So, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm going to close it now. I have to change tree. I have a lot of things to do. And, gusto ko magmerienda. Medyo nagugutom ako. Hindi kasi nakapag sa KFC. So, ayun. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Actually, shopping na talaga tayo. But, anyway, so, if you guys have idea to what to vlog, you can just comment down below. And for now, I'm gonna end this vlog. So, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this vlog. I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Bye for